Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. Welcome to the KSQL DB course. KSQL DB is a database purpose-built for building real-time applications that leverage stream processing. Its architecture separates its distributed compute layer from its distributed storage layer, for which it uses and tightly integrates with Apache Kafka. Using a lightweight SQL syntax, KSQL DB provides everything that a developer needs to quickly and efficiently create a complete real-time application, enabling you to unlock real-time business insights and rich customer experiences. Let's discuss a bit more about what KSQL DB offers. Let's say you have a stream or Kafka topic that captures when a widget is manufactured by your company, and each data event in the stream also captures the color of the widget created. Now perhaps you want a separate stream that filters only events that are built for blue widgets. KSQL DB would allow you to do that in real time. Perhaps you also want to merge two topics together, which is common for many stream processing use cases. KSQL DB can easily join topics to one another, not all that dissimilar to how you could join two tables in a relational database. In this example, we can join that original topic to another topic that focuses on green and yellow widgets, and then filter out the messages that we care less about. KSQL DB can be used to aggregate streams into tables and capture summary statistics over a window of time within the stream. These tables can then be subsequently joined with other tables and streams. In this example, we're using stream processing to get a count of the number of widgets by color type within the topic. Again, these examples are very elementary, and stream processing is of course capable of much more advanced logic. But this provides you with a high-level idea of how KSQL DB can help you build applications that action on new events happening within your business immediately. Let's take a look at what this might look like in action. With KSQL DB, developers can use a lightweight SQL syntax to build a complete real-time application. This includes the ability to enrich input streams to derive new event streams, and creating aggregations of event streams that are continuously updated as new events occur, and that can serve both push and pull queries to applications. We will dive more into the various constructs that make up KSQL DB in a bit. By bringing the same feel of traditional application development on a relational database, KSQL DB opens up stream processing and real-time application development up to many more developers within an organization than if only Kafka Streams was used. Here's a look at the KSQL DB UI in Confluent Cloud. We have a graphical editor that allows us to quickly try out new queries or to create streams and tables. There are also pages for viewing details about streams, tables, and the persistent queries that make them up. One very powerful feature is the flow page. With the flow page, we get an at-a-glance view of the components of our application and how they are interacting. And if you're building these event streaming applications, it's likely that you're going to want to work with data that exists in a variety of other data stores. Confluent provides 100+ pre-built connectors to easily start moving your data in and out of Kafka, but it still requires deploying a separate Kafka Connect cluster, which can take time. That's why KSQL DB supports running connectors directly on its servers. Rather than needing to run a separate Kafka Connect cluster for capturing events, KSQL DB can run pre-built connectors in embedded mode. Best of all, you can do this entirely with SQL syntax, making it much easier to work with data throughout your organization. Let's get started, but first, here's a promo code for $101 of free Confluent Cloud usage. Head over there and get signed up, then meet me back here to continue onward. Now let's get you signed up on Confluent Cloud. You'll land on the initial page and enter things like your name and your email. Click Agree and the Email Me checkboxes, and now you can click the Submit button. You should check your email for a confirmation. It should pop up within about a second. We'll be prompted next about what type of cluster we want. Let's use standard for now. Then we'll be asked about what cloud provider we would like to launch our cluster in. For this course, let's use Google Cloud US West 4 in a single AZ. Now we'll navigate our way to the credit card page and fill in your own information. You can go ahead and expand the promo code field because we do have a promo code for you today. It's 101 KSQL DB, and it's valued at $101 of free Confluent Cloud usage. review your information that you've put in and go ahead and click Launch. And look, a new cluster has appeared.